Number blocks to two-digit addition with carrying. Let's start today's episode. 47 plus 38 is equals to 85. 46 plus 29 is equals to 75. 39 plus 53 is equals to 92. 46 plus 29 is equals to 75. 69 plus 24 is equals to 93. 35 plus 48 is equals to 83. 39 plus 53 is equals to 92. 58 plus 36 is equals to 94. 49 plus 38 is equals to 87. 57 plus 26 is equals to 83. 47 plus 28 is equals to 75. 27 plus 38 is equals to 65.